how you can add Afterpay card to your Apple Wallet. Now in this video, I'll just guide you through it. And before we start, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming more videos. Now let us start. First, what you're going to do is you have to just open up your Afterpay. And what you need to do is, once you have generated your Afterpay card, open the app and access your card. Now I don't have the card, I don't have the app and the card right now, so I cannot show it to you. So just I'll guide you through it. Just open up your Apple Pay Afterpay app and access your card, and just tap on the add to Apple Wallet option. And after you tap on add to Apple Wallet, you need to follow the prompts to add your card. Now your card will be on your Apple Pay and it will be ready to use. Now also note that you will only need to set up the card once, and after that it lives in the Apple Wallet on your iPhone. You will need to go via the Afterpay app each time to make a purchase. Now hope you get it, and thank you for watching. That is all for the video.